What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got a Kia Soul in here today in a pretty cool color green. So I wanted to make a quick video on just me spraying this one, not necessarily a how-to or anything. I just thought it was a interesting opportunity. Pretty cool color. It's got like an alien green metallic, I think they call it. And we're doing replacing the bumper, replacing the fender, blend the hood, blend the door, and then replacing this piece on the apron here, down here on the bottom. Pretty funky green color. Should be a fun one to blend. Luckily we got all kinds of blend room on either side, so there shouldn't be any color match issues. But I just wanted to make a video on this one because it's an interesting color. Figured it might catch some eyes, but hope you enjoy. We're gonna get this thing painted. Okay, so we're ready to seal this thing. We're gonna seal our new fender and our new bumper, as well as the edges of the door and the hood. And the reason we're sealing the door and the hood is to make sure the color matches all the way through the repair area. Because with water base, you really gotta seal your blend edges. Can't stress it enough. You gotta do it. I'm sure you saw me checking coverage with the lights off, and it's really important to do, and I'm glad I did, because the bumper here and fender needed more base coat. So it needed another wet coat to get the sealer covered, because you could kind of see through it. It's a really transparent color, and with these you always want to cover your bases. Got to be sure it's covered, otherwise it's gonna suck. So we got it based out. It's still a little wet, as you can see. I had to blow it dry, and because I had to put a fourth coat on here to cover it, I went ahead and put a fourth coat on all the edges of the hood and door. That way our color is seamless through and through. And I'm sure you saw me go over a little bit far on the hood. That's mainly because this hood is faded out really bad. It's a 2012 car, and these light colors in the sun for many years, they fade out and lighten up a whole lot. So I just kind of carried this blend over almost pretty much to that body line to kind of break it up. I kind of call it a Texas blend, just because we got to kind of sweep across it if you got a large area. And luckily we had plenty of blend room for this one. We didn't have a lot of blend room. I would have probably preferred panel painting the hood rather than blending into it, but we had a lot of blend room and a good color match. So we're gonna dry this down and over reduce our base a little bit and do a nice control coat over everything. Make sure that all the metallics are orientated nice. Orientated, is that the right word? Orientated, I don't know, maybe. It's why I'm a painter. I'm not an English teacher. But yeah, we'll get this good nice control coat down on here and check our coverage once more, see where we're at. If you made it this far in the video, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and let me know what you think about this color. If you love it, hate it. I'm kind of indifferent myself, so let me know. I'm going to carry this control coat out a little further, help that blend. There we go. Okay, we are ready to clear this thing. Over reduced our base coat and carried our control coat all the way across the hood, nice and smooth. Good blend. Considering the faded color, blended out pretty nice. We got our Glazerite 923-210 clear mixed up in here. It's a 2-to-1 10% reducer in our SATA 5500X 1.3 O tip, O nozzle. Really good clear gun for this clear. Alright, so I'm gonna put you up here on top of the helmet and get this thing cleared. just enough clear. Well, she looks damn good though. I'm actually really happy with how this blended out. I mean, I knew it looked good, but truthfully, I thought it'd give me a little more fight than it did. This hood, it's got rock chips all in it. It's just not on the front here. It's just a blend panel. I fixed what I could over here to help it look a little bit better, but it looks good. Little denib in the morning and be ready for reassembly. All right, guys, I think that's gonna do it for this one. I appreciate you watching. Let me know what you thought about this video, and if you liked it, if you liked the style of the video, and what you think about this color. She came out good for an older model Kia Soul. Weird color, can't complain. It's nice when things go right. Things just kind of work out. You normally do if you're patient and take your time with these things. Painting is not something you need to rush. So if you're interested, check out my merch. The link will be in the description down below. And yeah, my Instagram, that'll be about it pretty much. It's down there. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.